Welcome back to Barricade Rides.
Videos for motorcycle enthusiasts.
We got a great video for you today.
We're doing a collaboration with Xpctd.
They are a company that specializes in LED lights for cars, trucks, and motorcycles.
And they sent me a headlight for my Street 750.
So let's open this package up and see what we got.
Alright, here's the package. Let's see what we got.
I'll grab our letter opener.
Pretty plain box.
Oh, no letter opener needed.
No? Here we go. Look at that. Oh, it's shiny.
Alright, this is an LED light. It's 5.75 inches. It's easy to install. The certification real DOT approved, safe and legal for the road. Super bright, 45 watt, 4,000 lumens on high beam, made with high quality LED chips for a much brighter than stock. The perfect beam pattern, super focused beam pattern. Do not blind oncoming traffic. Durable lens and efficient cooling system.
So we're going to be taking off the fairing first. I'm going to be using a 5/32 Allen wrench here. And we're just going to take this off.
Now that the fairing's removed, we can get the real work done.
We got one right there,
Which Betsy's removing now. Then we got the next one right here. So that's going to remove the ring so we can get the light out. So we just gotta remove the wires and cables. So he removed that one already. Much cooler. Alright, so we got this. All this is gonna do, we're gonna connect this right here, that plugs in, and then got these two wires which we're gonna connect this, so we got to remove that from the bulb. So got my connectors ready to go. Just put a new connector piece on the positive here so I can get that connected, and I just put a piece of electrical tape over the negative here. That should be good. Alright, that was super simple. Got the connectors all up in there. Got my negative, positives connected. And it's plugged in, and I'm almost ready to play. And there you have it. The new light on there. Looks good. Definitely going to be a lot brighter. We got brights. I am definitely going to be seen. I'm definitely going to be able to see. Look at that. So, definitely going to give it some test runs. You can kind of see the extent of the
the brightness.
Now that the LED headlight is installed, Batsy has ridden on the bike for over a week and probably put over 500 miles on it. So we are gonna see what he thinks about the overall product. What do you think about the install?
The install I found was super easy. The hardest part was getting the fairing off. Everything else was pretty straightforward. Took 2 screws, had to take apart some of the little connectors, but that was about it. Super simple. So far, I like it compared to my previous light. The white light compared to the yellow light, I feel like I can see a lot more while I'm riding at night, and it's cut in such a way that it's not blinding other drivers, which is really big for me because I hate it when I get blinded while I'm riding, and I don't want to blind other people. But then once I switch it over to the brights, it sets it up just enough so it's bright where I can see everything. I can see down the road, I can see farther down the road than I usually can with my previous brights, because those ones like barely, they're dimmer than the street lights. With this, a lot brighter. I can see down the road, I can see the curves as I'm coming towards it, and you know, once traffic's heading towards me, pop those, I'm not blinding people anymore.
And the safety factor is definitely a
yeah.
big thing for us. But overall, I think it's a great part, great install. I highly recommend it to anybody looking to upgrade their headlights, and the price is absolutely phenomenal.
Oh, perfect.
So the link to the parts are down in the description, and if you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, help us grow this channel. And as always, brothers and sisters,
stay safe
and ride your ride.